This is the trade from yesterday that I was doing. That I got into that August US. See that? I mean Australian US. You see that? It's coming down. And also the Australian Japanese that I got in last night is coming down. Okay? So these are the two trades I did, and they're both coming down and very easy to follow. They'll be coming down some more. You see the profit being made on these two trades. This is just a follow-up, how I did it. I just, as you saw me get into the trades yesterday, very simple. Just saw them at a serious resistance. In this case, this is a what we call supply area in here. And I got in where this red line is. It went up a little bit, but I knew it was going to come down. And that's what you see, the $91 profit. This one is just starting the Australian Japanese, but that looked like a good one right here. Got in here. If we go to the Australian US, you'll see it, the drop too. Right there, it dropped right where I wanted it to drop. I got that right on time. Miscalculated a little on the Australian Japanese, but still making money. And I have low lot size for my account. We should have had it more, but it's cool. Now we just see how far it's going to go. Hopefully it'll go at least down to here. But it most likely will go down to here. So we'll see. We'll see how far it goes. But I'm in profit, so I'm fine. I can take, like this one is 0299, 07299, 07256. I can modify the position, move my stop loss down, and put it 07276, just in case it doesn't go my way. If it reverses, I'll still be in profit. Okay, so I'll put a nice stop loss in profit on my first one. I'm waiting for this one to drop more. 80, 60, it's only 15 pips. Let it drop about 20, 30 more pips. But that's how I'm doing it. You see 83.34, 82.66. Actually 80. I had to stop the loss at 82. So that's where we're at. I'll fix that later. And we're just making this money. Okay? So that's it. Let it come on down. Let's make the money. And let's continue to be happy. This is Forex Success Club. This is what I teach. I train people how to make money. Get with me at the Wealth Portal Inc. You can order my system at, well, let's get this straight. You can order my system here. Right in this area.
Welcome to the Mooney Twins Wealth Portal, where we make all your dreams come true, your financial dreams. This is the most.
You can order right here. Access recording trading tutorials for $199. buy there. You can also access $29 monthly subscription, and for picks that I give you. So that's how we do it. Let's make the money. Let's have some fun. Peace and prosperity.